Guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So you can see that the screen is full. It's really nice. Front camera is up there. Volume rocker, mic, and of course USB Type-C on top. Loudspeaker. Noise cancellation mic on the side. Fingerprint scanner, power button, of course volume rocker, SIM tray. Really looks nice, though it's a bit thick, but overall it's great. Mirror finish, triple camera, LED flash, and of course front display. Just looks nice. Okay, this is the earpiece, and yeah, behold, this is the Samsung Galaxy Fold.